Push the shampoo bowl beside the massage bed and lock the clusters. This is a pillow and it can be lifted with this black knob, and it can also move back and forth. First step, pour some clean water into the tank. Take out this filter and the sealing cover. This hole is an entry through to the tank. Pour some water. After finished, cover it back to the tank hole. Look at this transparent tube. Through this, we can see how much water was added, and it can be added up to about 2/3 of the tube. And this is a rotate knob switch of the tank. This is the operation panel. Drive the button to the left side. The water tank starts to heat, so it is prohibited to power on if there is no water in the tank. Before spa, we should heat the water in advance. It may take about 20 minutes to heat to the setting temperature. Spa mode action. Let us look back another hole inside the filter. This hole is an entry through to the recycled water, and it also is a drain hole. Now try to add some spa potion into the basin. We can see the water is saved in the basin. Drive the button to the right side. Supply power to the spa water. This button has two functions. Short press to adjust the spa water pressure. Long press to enter spa time setting. The shower head starts working. Turn off the spa mode. Turn on the shower head switch. This water is from the tank. Drive the button to the middle status. Power off on both sides. On the left side of the shampoo bowl, there is a switch discharge gate. Open it. The water flows from the basin.